I'm going to show you a little video of how I get to start every single morning. Nice hot cup of Java at my parents' new house. They're never up this early in the morning as far as I know. Surrounded by windows. Watching the birds. And yeah, I have to come here every morning and fill these things. Here's a little bit better view. Yeah, I gotta fill up the bird feeders every single morning because the cat apparently requires it, according to my mom. And my mom's favorite thing in the world, obviously way more exciting to her than her children, is her bluebird feeder. She tells me that these bluebirds followed her from the other house. Interesting. So I got my little coffee spot right here. These vintage chairs, not really sure. And I just get to sit and watch nature before I get to work. I'm going to tell you, it honestly makes me feel like I'm on an episode of Mutual of Omaha's Wild Kingdom. What cup do I have today? My sister. Me sister. Me sister lives in India and she hates me. She tells me every day as I call her and tell her how much I love her. I mean, for real. How can you not love this?